Imagine starting from absolute zero, no savings, no investments, no fancy job title, and still building real, lasting wealth. Sounds impossible, right? But it's not. In fact, some of the wealthiest people in the world started exactly where you are today, with nothing but ambition and a plan. And today, I'm going to give you that plan. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact step-by-step blueprint to build wealth from nothing, and I'll show you why most people fail while a few succeed wildly. Trust me, some of the steps will surprise you. And the final step? It's the one that almost nobody talks about, but it's the real secret to unstoppable growth. Before we dive in, if you're serious about taking control of your money and building the life you deserve, hit that subscribe button right now. Every week, we break down real, practical strategies you can use to create financial freedom, starting from wherever you are. Ready to stop surviving and start thriving? Let's get into it. If you feel like wealth is something reserved for other people, people born into money, people with perfect careers, people who always seem 2 steps ahead, you're not alone. That belief is everywhere. It's planted early. It's reinforced every time you struggle to get ahead while others seem to coast. But here's the truth. Wealth isn't about luck or inheritance, or even a huge paycheck. It's about small, consistent actions that compound over time. Most millionaires today didn't inherit their money. Studies show that nearly 80% of millionaires are self-made. They started broke. They started scared. They started doubting themselves, just like you might feel right now. But they also started moving. They learned the rules. They stayed consistent. They made mistakes and kept going anyway. Building wealth feels impossible only because most people never get a real blueprint. That's what you're about to get today. So stay with me, because each step builds on the next. And by the end of this video, you'll see how a few key decisions made consistently can completely change your future. Before you chase big investments or risky opportunities, you need a safety net. This is where most people mess up. They get excited, they move too fast, and they crash hard. Real wealth builders know you can't grow money if you're constantly putting out financial fires. Your first mission is simple but powerful. Build a security base. Start by saving your first $1,000 to $5,000. This is your emergency fund, your personal insurance against life's surprises. Medical bills, car repairs, unexpected job changes, these happen to everyone. The difference between building wealth and staying broke? Well, it's really about being prepared. When you have a small financial cushion, you stop making panic decisions. You stop racking up credit card debt every time something goes wrong. You operate from a place of control, not crisis. And honestly, the faster you build this foundation, the faster you can move into real growth strategies. Stay with me, because in the next step, I'll show you how to eliminate the biggest enemy of wealth. And it's probably hiding in your wallet right now. If you're carrying high-interest debt, especially credit card debt, it's like trying to fill a leaking bucket. No matter how much money you pour in, it keeps draining out faster than you can save it. That's because honestly, debt doesn't just slow down your wealth journey, it reverses it. Think about it for a second. If you're paying 20% interest on a balance, but your investments are only growing at 7%, you're actually losing money every single month. You can't outrun bad debt. You have to eliminate it. So start by listing every debt you owe, from smallest to largest, along with the interest rates. Focus first on the highest interest debts. Attack them like your future depends on it. Because, well, it does. Every dollar you pay off is a guaranteed return on your investment. Getting rid of high-interest debt isn't just about feeling better. It's about freeing up your money to start building real wealth. And trust me, once that burden lifts, you'll feel unstoppable. In fact, coming up next, I'll show you how to supercharge your journey by multiplying your income streams, even if you think you're already maxed out. Once you've built your safety net and eliminated toxic debt, it's time to shift gears, from protecting your money to growing it. And here's the hard truth. Most people never build real wealth because they rely on a single source of income. One paycheck, one job, one fragile thread holding everything together. Wealthy people? They think differently. They build multiple streams of income. It doesn't have to be complicated. You don't need to start a massive business or invent the next big app. It could be a side hustle delivering food on weekends, selling handmade products online, freelancing your skills after hours, starting a small service business in your neighborhood. Even an extra $200 a month, it really changes the game when you use it wisely. That extra income can pay off debts, faster fund investments, or build up your savings so much more quickly. Just remember, your main job pays the bills. Your second stream, that's what builds your dreams. And, speaking of dreams, the next step is where things honestly get really exciting. Because I'm going to show you how to make your money work for you, even while you sleep. Here's the secret to building real, lasting wealth. You don't get rich trading time for money forever. You get rich owning things that grow in value. This is where most people stay stuck. They keep working harder, chasing promotions, grinding longer hours. But they never cross the line into real wealth because they never let their money work for them. Starting small is okay. In fact, it's expected. Begin by investing in assets that historically grow over time, like index funds, ETFs, stocks, or real estate. You don't need $10,000 to start. You don't even need $1,000. Thanks to modern apps and platforms, you can start investing with as little as $5 or $10. The key is to start now. To build the habit, not just wait for more money later. Because investing consistently, even small amounts, taps into the most powerful force in personal finance: compound growth. It's slow at first, then faster, then almost unstoppable. Stay with me, because in the next step, I'll share the final, and maybe most important, move you need to make to become truly wealthy. And it's one most people never even think about. Building wealth isn't just about money, it's about mindset. And here's the truth. Your income almost never grows faster than your knowledge does. The wealthiest people are honestly obsessed with learning. They read, they study, they listen. They're always seeking new skills, new strategies, new perspectives. Constantly. If you want to build real wealth, you gotta make learning part of your lifestyle. Commit to reading at least one book a month about money, investing, business, or personal development. Listen to podcasts while you commute. And hey, watch educational content while you work out. Surround yourself with voices that challenge you to think bigger. Because honestly, the more you learn, the more you earn. And here's the best part. Nobody can ever take your knowledge away from you. It's the one asset that always grows and multiplies, no matter what happens in the economy. Building wealth from nothing isn't about luck. It's not about waiting for the perfect opportunity. It's about taking small, deliberate steps and taking them consistently. Today, you have the blueprint. Secure your foundation, destroy your debt, multiply your income, invest in assets, and never stop learning. You don't have to be perfect. You don't have to be fast. You just have to start. The truth is, most people will hear this message and do nothing. But a rare few, will take action today and change their entire future. Be one of the few. Drop a comment below and tell me, which step are you starting with today? And if you're serious about building wealth and creating a life of true freedom, hit that subscribe button right now. This is just the beginning. Your journey to wealth starts today. Let's build it together.